Alright guys, I am back here at this Sunoco gas station right off of Clopper Road in Germantown, Maryland, where we're going to revisit this Vector car wash. And I happened to get gas here, and I tried to insert my credit card. However, the system would not take said card, and after trying for about 10 minutes, I decided to get some gas, but we'll see how this system turns out. I came here back in 2020. System functioned pretty good for its age. Now we are coming back here to see how this Vector performs in its glory. So our car wash code is 762404, and I still have to reach from outside the vehicle. Yeah. What's that code again? 762404. Now it's checking the code. Leave the door open just in case. And we're still waiting. Purchase Wash Ultimate. Oh no, by the way, here's a look at the car wash codes. The economy is for 7, super for 9, deluxe for 11, ultimate for 13. And looks like it's gonna be my time to enter the wash. So let's see how this wash performs in its glory. Haven't filmed a Vector in quite a while. Drive forward. Wait for the stoplight to come on. There we go. Brake, and we'll let the wash begin, starting off with covering a pre-soak. By the way, I did not get a receipt from the pump. Fortunately, the manager inside was able to give me an actual receipt, which is good. And speaking of Belanger, I stopped by the Flagship Car Wash over in Germantown that apparently has a pair of Belanger Sabre car washes. However, both of the automatic bays, yes, both of those bays were broken. Only the manual bays there were operating. Just kind of stupid. Okay, so now we are getting our tri-foam. Watch from the rear view mirror. Now we're getting our high-powered wash. passenger side. Now the water cycle is going to trade off. And go over to the driver's side. Now we're getting our clear coat sealant. Now our sign says clean shield protectant. And this right here is our spot free rinse. Dryers have started up. Have 45 seconds of dryer time. Just wait a little. Dryers are okay. Now dryers have shut off. Let's see how that Vector car wash did. And it rinsed out something as the dryers have shut off. Seemed to do a good job with the tires. Left a couple water drops on the mirrors. See how the rest of the wash did. Seemed to do just fine. Other than the non-spot free water on the mirrors. But yeah, there we go. Guess we'll close it off with the car wash in the background. So thank you guys for watching.